Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we have RTX 3080 with us. This is LHR edition. So we will be unboxing this graphic card today. So let's start with the unboxing now. So we have seen the unboxing of RTX 3080. This is Trinity edition and this is overclocked edition. So now let's go through the specification. So these main features are like it has second generation ray tracking cores, and it also have a third generation tensor cores. It has metal front plate and RGB LED back plate, and it has VR ready. So when we go to the specifications, it has CUDA cores of 8704 and with a video memory of 10 GB DDR6 and memory bus 320 bits. Then the core clock is 1725 MHz and memory clock is 19 Gbps per second. It supports PCIe 4.0 16x, and we have a display that is 3 display port and one HDMI which is 2.1. Then the HDMI supports 8K at 60 fps and 4K at 120 fps, and it supports HDCP 2.3, and multiple display can be connected up to quad displays. And recommended power supply for this card is 750 watts, and max peak consumption of this card is 320 watts. This card comes with DirectX 12, OpenGL 4.6. Then the size of the card is 2.5 slots. SLI is not supported. These are the accessories which was provided in the box, that is 2 dual 6-pin to 8-pin cable. So this is the overall card specification, and this is the overall view and 360 view of the card. So to run this beast we need minimum 750 watts, and we have gone for 850 watts from Deepcool. To run this beast we need one more beast, that is 850 watt power supply. So this is the power supply which we have gone. So this is from Deepcool and 80 plus gold with 10 years of warranty, and you can see the specification over here. This is completely full modular. It comes with black cables. So we will be doing the unboxing of this power supply in the later video. You can check out the channel to see this unboxing of this power supply. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you liked our content, and if you liked our videos, please subscribe. Thank you.